Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can create a multi-agent system for a customer outreach campaign. So here we are going to create two agents and we have a customer who can be our potential customer. So we are first going to create a report based on the information which customer provided by searching the internet and our file system, and then we are going to draft an email to reach out to that customer so that they are interested to buy our product. Before going into the code, let's discuss about some basics concept. So there are three key elements of every tool that we are going to use. First is versatility, second is fault tolerance, and third one is caching. So looking at this markdown file, so first of all, let's understand some mental framework before creating any agent. So think as a manager. So as a manager, we need to understand what is the goal, what is the process, and what kind of people are we going to require to complete that process. And also we need to hire specialist people, not just okayish people. So in case of okayish, it could be researcher, writer, or financial analyst. But if we want to get a better output, we need to specify very particular roles required for that job. In this case, it could be HR research specialist, senior copywriter, or approved analyst. And talking about multi-agent system, so there are different terminologies. Agents need to self-improve themselves using the memory. There should be always guardrails which prevent the agents going to produce some unproductive or repetitive outputs, and agent should always attempt to get an answer. And also focus is also required. Now coming to tools, what makes tools great? So there are three concepts: versatility, fault tolerance, and caching. Talking about versatile tools, so in this diagram, as we can see, if our agent is giving some fuzzy inputs which is not very standard, our tool should be versatile enough to understand different kind of input and also then give out the output as expected. So that is the versatility that we would like to for our tools to understand. Second comes the fault tolerance. So what happens if there is an exception or something doesn't work? It should fail gracefully. It should not just stop their execution. It should fail gracefully and try to retry to generate an output, maybe using some other way. Then comes the caching part. So let's say in a multi-agent system, there is one agent which has already processed some kind of query with some input parameters. If second agent is also trying to retrieve the similar information, it should rely on the caching layer instead of again querying the main system, so that it can save our response time and also don't need to retrieve the same information again and again. So Crew AI provide all these tools, which is versatile, which can be relied on caching, and also is fault tolerant. So there are some example of tools to search the internet, scrape the website, connect to a database, calling an API, or send notification. And these are some of the tools which are inbuilt in Crew AI to search the web and scrape. Now coming to our original notebook, so let's start the execution now. So first of all, we are filtering out the warning. We are importing three classes: agent, task, and crew from Crew AI. Then we are setting up the API's key for OpenAI and also the serper. This serper is used for scraping the websites. Now we are going to create an agent. So first one is a sales representative agent, and the goal is to identify high value leads that match our ideal customer profile. And we have a backstory which will support this sales representative, and we can see the delegation is false, so it is not going to delegate the task to any other agent. Second one is the lead sales representative. Its goal is to nurture the lead with personalized, compelling communications. So basically, this agent will be drafting an email to the lead so that we can sell our solution to that customer based on the report which is provided by sales representative. Now here we are like defining some tools, and there are like three different kind of tool. First is the directory read tool, which is going to read the directory and retrieve the information from the file system. File read tool is just to like read the files from the directory that we have retrieved, and also the search tool is for scraping the web. Now coming to the Crew AI tool, so we can also create our own tool. So in this case, we are going to create a sentiment analysis tool, and we can like override the base tool and provide our own custom code which goes here. For now, we are just returning a positive sentiment to all the queries which are coming in, but we can insert our own custom code here. So this is the way like we can create our own custom tools using the Crew AI base library. So now we have different tools ready. Now let's go to create our task. So for the lead profiling task, so we can see like the description and what kind of output we are expecting. So we just need like a report from the lead name, including like company background, their milestones, their highlighting their needs and all. And the tools which we are giving to this agent, sales representative agent, is directory reading tool, file reading tool, and the search tool. So now we have compiled the lead profiling task. Coming to the personalized outreach task. So this task is for the lead sales representative agent, and the tools which we have given access is the sentiment analysis tool and the search tool. And the expected output is like email which needs to be drafted, which is tailored to their lead and the key decision makers. Okay, now comes the part where we are creating a crew. So we have specified the agents that we have created and the task, and memory equal to true. Now it's time to start and kick off the crew, and this is the input that we have. So the lead name is Deep Learning AI, industry is online learning platform, and the key decision maker is Andrew NG, position, and the milestone product launch. So now using this crew, we are going to see how Crew AI can help this lead name with the technology that we have built inside, and also then draft an email to propose them our solution. Okay, so the crew has now started to work. So first of all, sales representative would conduct an in-depth research for the sales lead. So as we can see here, the sales representative tried to read one file, but it encountered some error. And since our system is fault tolerant, it is able to gracefully handle this failure. So now it is going to search the internet based on deep learning AI company background. So as you can see, it has created some website links and collected some information for the deep learning AI. So once it has gathered all the information, it is going to create a report that is going to be passed to lead sales representative. And this is the answer that is created by sales representative. Deep Learning AI is an educational technology company founded by Andrew NG. Key personnel at Deep Learning is all these people. And to engage effectively with Deep Learning AI, we can offer a tailored AI solution, collaborative project, and educational resources to support their mission. So once this is done, this information is going to be passed to lead sales representative, and using this insight gathered from lead profiling report, craft a personalized outreach campaign aimed at Andrew NG, and the campaign should address the recent product launch and how our solution, Crew AI solution, can help them to support their goals. So now it is entering a new chain, and also it is going to like search the internet to gather the information about deep learning AI. Once it has gathered the information, now this agent is going to draft an email elevating deep learning AI's recent achievement as the subject, and you can see like it has already drafted an email which is targeted to Andrew NG. And you can see like how it is drafting an email based on the research it has done, and also the report provided by the sales representative. So once this final output is created, we can also see the result in the markdown format to see how the email has been drafted. So this is how we can create a multi-agent system tailored to do like different kind of tasks. But the important thing is the manager should know like what kind of people are required to accomplish the task. And here also we have seen different kind of tools which can be used, which should be versatile, fault tolerance and caching, and how we can use Crew AI library to effectively implement all these techniques. Thank you.